Piccolo mini, 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 U is for unicorn popcorn. And today we're gonna make unicorn popcorn lollies. Now, if I was an animal, that's probably one of the animals I would be. Beautiful mythological creature. Marianne, you're a very happy little puppy. You'll need some mini marshmallows, some speckled eggs or other sweeties, some edible glitter, food coloring, different colored jelly powders for flavors, and finally, your popcorn. Start by salting your popcorn. Keep a couple of marshmallows aside. Melt your marshmallows. I'm sprinkling some jelly powder. Drop of food coloring. And now we mix. Marianne, look at this. Matches my nails perfectly. I planned that for this video. You want a chance, Marianne? Sticky arm Marianne. Shout out to the cookbook. Recipes by SuzelleDIY. Because this recipe is in that book. Bought in the SuzelleDIY online shop. I'll sign it for you. Oh, this looks so stunning, Marianne. Let's give it a taste. It's good. You know, I love to mix salted and sweet together. It's a flavor sensation on my tongue. Pour in your popcorn, little mini Smarties and speckled eggs. The marshmallows we saved, give it a mix. Patience is everything with this pot, Marianne, because we want to try and get it all combined. So we can just give it a smush. See, look, this is what we want, Marianne. We want it to be like a spider's web. So sticky. Grease your hands with a bit of butter. Butter. And we're gonna roll our popcorn into little ballies. Now sprinkle on your sprinkles. Some hundreds and thousands. Sprinkle a bit of glitter. And pop in a little lolly stick. Today, we're using straws. We're making unicorn cups. Because presentation is everything, isn't it, Marianne? Start by cutting out some ears and horns. And glue it onto the inside of your cup. I've used this sparkly foam paper. Stick on some paper flowers. And draw on some eyes. Putting a lot of pressure on me, Marianne. You can also do one. Very cute, Marianne. We have different drawing styles. Her drawing style is quite loose, where mine is more particular, detail-oriented, but more perfect. These are really gorgeous. Time to pop in our popcorn. And there you have it. Our unicorn popcorn lollies are ready. DIY, because anybody can. I feel like I'm in a beautiful, magical unicorn rainbow cloud.